team of scientists have potentially come upon a new species that is turning up the heat on the story of human origins. Here's what happened. Researchers found 13 teeth here in Ethiopia dating between 2.6 and 2.8 million years old. Some were small teeth from early Homo ancestors, while others were larger teeth from Australopithecus relatives. Think Lucy's extended family. Why is this significant? Well, these teeth were found together in the same place, suggesting these two groups were possibly interacting at the same time. This matters because it's pulling away from the clean and simple narrative about human evolution, that one species neatly evolved into the next like some biological assembly line. In other words, apes gradually standing upright until they became modern humans. Reality, as usual, is a bit more complex, and these teeth possibly support what scientists call budding cladogenesis, basically the idea that human evolution looked less like a ladder and more like a chaotic family reunion where multiple species coexisted, overlapped, and probably competed for resources. Species didn't sequentially evolve and then disappear to make room for their successors. They likely stuck around, living alongside their descendants, and created a tangled mess that paleontologists are still trying to untangle. And we've seen hints of this before. In Kenya, 1.5 million-year-old footprints show Homo erectus and another hominin species literally walking the same lakeshores within days or hours of each other. Now, these Ethiopian teeth add another data point to this alternate theory of human evolution. And these scientists believe that these teeth possibly belong to a new species of Australopithecus. When Lucy was discovered 50 years ago, she was hailed as the missing link, that clean connection between apes and humans that supported linear evolution. But science, as you know, rarely stays the same. The more we dig, the more we realize that the period around 3 million years ago was probably not as neat of a transition as we initially thought. But it makes the question of how and why humans alone succeeded in surviving even more mysterious. These teeth won't answer that, but they're one piece of evidence that our origin story is far more complex and interesting than we once believed. If you like science we're sharing like this, then follow us everywhere at Today I Learned Science at TIL Science.